Is this a Facebook post? Getting everything ready for the evening? Oh yeah. Haven't even done my hair yet. Oh. That was a good action pose, that. Can you tell I enjoy being on stage? My natural position, yes. Usually the most camera shy person on the planet turns into the most able communicator on stage. It's crazy. Shall I? You recorded on the thing? Oh, okay, cool. Right. See? With a heart that's blown up like a landfill, a job that slowly kills you, bruises that won't heal. I look so tired and happy, bring down the government. They don't speak for us. I'll take a quiet life, a handshake, a carbon monoxide with no wrongs and no surprises. No loves and no surprises. No loves and no surprises, please. This is my final farewell, the final belly aching, no alarms and no surprises, no alarms and no surprises, no alarms.